In this video, we will walk through setting up the Toshiba AS3 drive for 3-wire control. The AS3 drive can be programmed to use a normally open momentary input to start the motor in forward or reverse direction, and a normally closed momentary input to stop the motor. This is considered 3-wire control. We first need to set parameter F114, which is the terminal S1 function, to a value of 50, which is hold. So we're going to go to the setting mode and select direct access, and we're going to use the F2 and F3 function keys to move the cursor, and then we will use the scroll wheel to change the value of where our cursor is, and we're going to set this to 114. We'll press the OK button, and now we'll change the parameter value for parameter 114. We need to set this to a value of 50. We will select 50 and press OK. Press the escape button to return back to the setting mode. Now we will scroll down to basic parameters. And then basic parameters, we're going to look for the frequency command, which is parameter FMOD. We're going to select the frequency command for touch wheel 1, which is value 10. So we will use our scroll wheel and scroll down to select number 10, touch wheel 1, and press OK. Press the escape button 3 times to return back to the standard mode screen. Now we're going to press the escape button 2 times, and we're going to go to monitor mode. If we use our scroll wheel in monitor mode, we're going to go to input terminal 1. This gives us a representation for our forward, reverse, our S1 terminals. So this is what we're looking at. So if you notice the S1 terminal is high, that's because it is a closed contact. If we press our forward button, the F contact momentarily goes high. If we press the escape button 2 times, we'll go back to the standard mode screen, and you can see the drive is running at 30 Hertz. We'll press the stop button, the drive will ramp down. Let's press the escape button twice to go back to monitor mode, and we will go back and monitor the terminals we were looking at. Notice that S1 is low currently. That's because I'm holding my stop button in. If I try to press the forward button or the reverse button, you'll notice the drive still says stop. If I press the escape button twice, this carries us back to the standard mode window. I'll go ahead and start the drive back up. And you'll notice in the top right hand corner that the R is highlighted. We are running in reverse mode now. I press to stop. The drive is ramping down. I pressed the start for forward direction. The drive ramped up to 30 Hertz in forward direction. If I navigate back to monitor mode to input terminal 1, you'll notice that S1 is high. If I press S1, the drive starts ramping down and it will stop.